Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening to Jongelo Entertainment. Here we give you sizzling hot gist of what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. A lot has happened over the weekend. Orocha Okorocha was arrested, an aircraft crash, killing about 7 persons. Most importantly, we had this award, they had this award. It's like Nigeria Grammy. So many persons won the award. Some other artists couldn't win, but it was lit. I mean, coupled with the COVID-19 pandemic and everything, the award was lit. If you are new in our midst, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to get the latest update on what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. My name is Jongelo. I am an entertainment enthusiast and a vlogger. You are welcome. Let's start with the Headies Award. The Headies Award was lit, as I said earlier. It was hosted by Nancy Isime. She's an actress, a TV host. I mean, she's lit, and a comedian, Bovie, And remember, this is the 14th Headies Award. It was lit. You can imagine a comedian and a presenter hosting an award. Man, the award was lit. Yeah. Well, let us start giving you the winners. Yeah. Best recording of the year, Ozymandias by Brymo. Brymo won the best recording of the year. Congratulations to you, Brymo. I mean, we haven't heard from you for quite some time now. I mean, just came out and won this award, and that award was lit. The recording was lit. Go and listen to that song. Winner of the best music video, Director K, 1 million by Davido. You need to watch that video again. The video was lit, and Director K did a good job, a fantastic job. He really deserved that award, though there were so many on that list. But well, it was given to Director K. Congratulations to you, Director K. You did a good job, man. But let's leave Fireboy DMX for now. He won so many awards, about 5 awards. Yeah, 5 solid awards. The guy did a fantastic job. Let us move on. Winner, producer of the year, Fields. Yeah, he produced Billionaire by Tenny. That song is lit. I wanna be a billionaire, yeah. I mean, that song is lit. Congratulations to you, Fields. I mean, you really deserve these awards. Though there were so many nominees on that list, so many. I mean, producer, we have good producers in this country. They have been doing well. They have been doing good jobs. Congratulations to you, Fields, for winning that award. Winner of the best vocal performance, female. We have 2 categories. We have best vocal performance for male, best vocal performance for female. And Niniola won this award. The name of that song is Addicted. Listen to that song, it's lit. Niniola did a good job. I mean, this artist of the year, there were so many big artists. But guess what? Wizzy Baba won that award. So people are saying Davido should have won the award. Some people are saying Burna Boy, the Giant of Africa, should have won the award. I mean, the list is endless because everybody did a good job. Coupled with the pandemic, the coronavirus, I mean, they didn't let that hinder them. They did a good job. I mean, albums, Wizkid album, Davido's album, Burna Boy's album. There's so many albums that were released in 2020. What is your take on it? Because so many people are saying Davido would have won the award. Some people are saying Burna Boy would have won the award. Nigeria is a funny country. It's just like comparing Ronaldo to Messi. That is the same thing Wizkid and Davido are facing right now. Not just Wizkid and Davido. Burna Boy is also in the picture. Well, what is your take on that? Who would have won this award? Wizkid actually won the award. What is your take? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Next rated artists. Next rated. That list was endless. It was terrible. It was. It's always the hottest. But guess what? Omah Lay won the award for next rated. Congratulations to you, Omah Lay. You've done well. It wasn't easy. I mean, Omah Lay was on the list. Oxlade was also there, and Bella Shmurda was also there. And guess what? When Omah Lay won the award, these 2 people, Oxlade and Bella Shmurda, they followed Omah Lay to the platform to get the award. I mean, Congratulations to you, Omale. What is your take on this? Are you in support of Omale or not? You know, Omale was there, was there. There were so many. Thames was there. I mean, that award was hot. Who would have won the award? But remember, Omale won the award. Are you in support of Omale, yeah or nay? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Let's do an analysis together. Wow, Fireboy DML swept the Grammy. Sorry, not Grammy, actually. The Headies Award. He won 5 awards. Congratulations to you, Fireboy DML. He won Album of the Year. The name of that album is Apollo. Apollo is lit. It's a nice album. He really deserves this. I mean, the guy is just coming from grass, yeah. According to Two-Face album Grass to Grace, he just coming from grass and he made it to grace. The guy is lit. Congratulations to you, Fireboy DML. I mean, album of the year, come on, man. I remember there were so many albums. Whiskey releases album, Davido releases album, Burna Boy releases album, but Fireboy DML. Congratulations to you for winning album of the year. Apollo is a good hit. Yeah, and then he also won Best R&B album, Laughters, Tears, and Goosebumps. Wow, congratulations to you, Fireboy DML. I mean, you've been hitting hearts. We really appreciate your moves in the music industry. And he also won Best Pop Album. That album, again, Apollo is, you remember, is the album of the year, Best Pop Album too. Apollo is lit. If you haven't listened to that album, man, download it and listen to it. Let's support our brother. He's doing well. Pop album, come on. And he also won Best R&B Single, Tattoo. You need to listen to those songs. I mean, this guy is lit. And drop your comments below. And finally, he won Headies Revelation. The guy won 5 awards. Congratulations to you, Fireboy DML. You did well. I mean, you really deserve all these awards. You've been doing well. You just came from grass and you made it to grace. Congratulations to you. And then winner Best Rap Album, AQ. That album is lit. God's Engineering. The first time I listened to a track from that album, like, come on, where is this guy from? I was trying to place him. Is it J. Cole or something? Okay, Lama, blah blah. I now discovered he is a Nigerian, AQ. You need to listen to that album. If you love rap, rhythm and poetry, I mean, listen to AQ's album, God's Engineering. I mean, the name of the album is also lit. Congratulations to you, AQ, for winning Best Rap Album. Yeah, Wizkid also won another award. You know, he won Headies Viewer's Choice, Wizkid. Congratulations to you, Wizkid. I mean, you've been doing well. you've been in the game for quite some time now. Well, congratulations to you. Then African Artists Recognition, Mr. Keji, Jerusalem. I mean, that song was lit. That song was and it's still lit till date. Make sure you listen to the song. Master Keji did a good job, and there's this remix he did with Burna Boy. I mean, make sure you listen to that song. If you haven't heard that song before, guess what? That is my ringing tone. I love that song. Then winner, lyricist on The Role, Iblis. The name of that song is Country. Make sure you listen to that song. The song is lit. Congratulations to you, Iblis. I mean, you've always been there. You've always been giving us rap vibes. Lyricist on The Role. That means the lyrics were packed. Congratulations to you, Iblis. You really deserve this. You really deserve this award. Congratulations to you. You know, we have so many rappers in Nigeria. Emma, Iblis. I mean, there are numerous. Vector. Name them, but Iblis, I mean, congratulations to you. You did well. And then winner, Songwriter of the Year, goes to Simi. Duduke. Congratulations to you, Simi. You really deserve it. That song was hit. That song was lit. That song was a hit. It was lit. Congratulations to you, Simi. You really deserve this award. Well, don't forget to always drop your comment below if you have anything as opposed to who won the award. If you have Best Alternative Album, Roots. The name of the album is Roots. The Cavemen. Those guys did a good job. Just listen to that song anyway. Just listen to that album. Then winner, best rap single, Bob Daddy, Bob, Bob, Bob Daddy, Bob Daddy, Bob, Bob, Bob Daddy. Fast featuring Miss Banks. That song is lit. Yeah, you want best rap single. Make sure you listen to that song and drop your comments below. Then winner, best alternative song. I Wonder, Me Logo. Make sure you listen to that song and drop your comments below. Yeah, then Simi won 2 awards. She also won best collaboration. You Know, which is Ladipo featuring Simi. That song is mwah. Then winner, best pop single. Nobody, nobody, nobody. Yeah, DJ Neptune featuring Joe Boy and Mr. Easy. Best pop single. Congratulations to you, DJ Neptune. You really deserve that award. And then best rookie of the year, Bad Boy Teams. Rookie of the year. Congratulations to you, Bad Boy Teams. That's nice. You are welcome to the industry. Yeah. Then best street hip hop artist, Mayokun Gang Gang. This song is causing controversy. I mean, we have Naira Marley and Mayokun won best street. Well, I don't know. Don't forget to drop your comment below. What do you think about that? Winner, best vocal performance, male. Remember, we've already given you the best vocal performance, female, which was Niniola. And this is best vocal performance, male, Praise, Under the Sky. That's the name of the song. Make sure you listen to that song and drop your comments below. Just as I said, you know, rapper CDQ calls out Headies Awards for awarding Mayokun best street hip hop artist instead of Naira Marley. Well, what is your take on that? Don't forget to drop your comment below. According to rapper CDQ, remember he's also a rapper and he does street rap too. He said, Headies, when I don't start, this one are obvious industry politics things again. How the hell when I go carry best street hip hop give someone else at the expense of Naira this year and conscious no judge una? What is your take on that? Is Mayokun's gang better than all Naira Marley songs when it comes to street hip hop? Don't forget to drop your comments below. But well, Headies, you guys did well. I mean, we had fun last night. We were just watching the TV, laughing. Don't forget to drop your comment below if you have anything as opposed to who won the award. If you have any better artist than who Headies gave the award to, let's do the analysis together. Well, as I said earlier, so many things happened over the weekend. You know, there was this plane crash. You know, 7 people died after Nigerian military aircraft crashes outside Abuja Airport following engine failure. Air Force spokesman Daramola says, I mean, it's terrible. Well, you can see the picture of those ones that died, 7 of them. Wow, that's terrible. Engine failure. What is, I mean, Nigeria? Oh, it's a bad news. Well, another news that happened was that 3 herdsmen were arrested for burning houses in Ogun. What is happening in this country? Herdsmen, they've moved from the north. Now they have gone to the west, to the western part of the country. I mean, in Ogun State, they burned houses. And funny enough, nothing will happen to this guy. What is happening in this country? What is really happening? Well, what is your take? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Reports says that police have arrested former governor of Imo State, Rogers Okorocha, in Owerri. Yeah, what happened was that his house, not his house, his wife's hotel. She has this hotel and apartments. They were actually banned by the government, by the present governor of Imo State. And Rogers Okorocha went there and removed the seal from the house. Like, I mean, come on. And because of that, he was arrested, because according to what's trending, you can't break the law. And remember, Rogers Okorocha is a senator in the Senate in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He was, I mean, how can you go and unlock what the government has said? No, I mean, you are a senator, you're representing a constituency, you are not representing the whole state. Well, I don't. This is confusing. Nigeria is just in, and we have so many problems in this country. What is your take on this? Don't forget to drop your comments below. What Rocha Sokorocha did, was it the right thing, or what the governor did? Also, was it the right thing to see Rocha Sokorocha's family? Yeah, let's face it out, because that hotel belongs to his wife. Well, Nigeria, Nigeria. Don't forget to drop your comments below. Bandits, bandits, bandits here and there. They keep kidnapping people, arresting people. Over the weekend, to bandits in military uniform. Now they go around with military uniform, camouflage, fully kitted, dressed with guns. Come on, what is happening? Everybody's scared in this country. That they strike again in Niger State again. Remember, they went to a school and kidnapped the school students, and now they kidnap women and children in Niger State. What is happening in Nigeria, for crying out loud? As if that wasn't enough. Also, in Adamawa United Football Club, we are told that the bandits kidnapped the team driver. They keep kidnapping people, but well, from sources we hear they've released those women and children they kidnap in Niger State. But what is happening? What is the root? What is their problem? Is it that they will kidnap and ask for ransom? The government will not pay the ransom without letting us know, because we haven't heard anything about the demands for ransom and payment being made. But how can you kidnap people and release them without anything? Is that possible? What is your take on this? Don't forget to drop a comment below. Singer Paul Okoye, Paul, the one with the dreadlock, you know, they have Peter and Paul. Paul Okoye involved in domestic violence scandal for allegedly beating his wife, disrespecting their matrimonial home, and turning it to hell for her. Oh, what is happening? P-Square. Again, you guys separated. You don't want to come back together as one. Remember, you guys were in your mother's womb together for 9 months. He gave birth to you. You came to this world. You've been living well. You went into the music industry. You've been blown as P-Square. All of a sudden, you guys separated and you can't come back together. And now you are beating your wife. What is really happening? Well, don't forget to drop your comments below. Thank you very much for watching John Bello Entertainment. We hope you are entertained. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like, so as to get the latest update on what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa.